Machine Learning Essentials. In this section, we will see what is machine learning in deep. First, we will see what is machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most important and exciting field within the artificial intelligence. It's the technology that enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of telling a computer exactly how to solve a problem, machine learning allows the computer to figure it out on its own by finding the patterns in data. This makes it possible to build systems that improve their performance over time as they are exposed to more information. Let's break this idea down to understand it more clearly. Traditional programming versus machine learning. In traditional programming, we give computers clear instructions for every possible scenario. For example, if you wanted to write a program to determine whether a message contains the word urgent, you would explicitly tell the computer search for the word urgent. If found, display an alert, otherwise do nothing. Every rule has to be written by human. In contrast, machine learning flips this process. Instead of writing specific rules, we give the computer examples and let it learn the rules on its own. For instance, if we want a machine learning system to recognize spam emails, we provide it with many examples of both spam and non spam emails. The machine analyzes these examples and learns patterns that distinguish spam from legitimate messages. Definition of machine learning. A widely quoted definition comes from the Arthur Samuel, a pioneer in the field. Machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. In practical terms, machine learning is about creating algorithms that can learn patterns from data, make predictions or decisions, improve performance as they receive more data. How machine learning works. While the technical details can be more complex, the general process of machine learning involves a few key steps. Collect data, gather examples that present the problem you want to solve. For example, images of the cats and dogs if you are building an image classifier. Prepare data, clean the data, handle missing values, and transform it into format suitable for learning. Select a model, choose an algorithm that can learn from the data, such as linear regression, decision trees, or neural networks. Train the model, feed the data into the algorithm so it can find pattern and relationships. Evaluate the model, test the model on new unseen data to see how well it performs. Deploy and improve. Use the model in real world applications and continue refining it as more data becomes available. Examples of machine learning applications. Machine learning is already a part of our daily lives in countless ways, including email filters that detect spam messages, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon, image recognition used in photo apps and security systems, predictive text on smartphones, credit scoring, and fraud detection in banking. These systems improve as they analyze more data, making machine learning a powerful tool for solving complex problems that are difficult to code by hand. Why machine learning matters? Machine learning has become essential because it enables computers to handle tasks that would be impossible or impractical to code using traditional methods. It allows systems to adapt a new data without requiring constant human intervention, find insights in massive data sets, automate decision making processes, create personalized experience for users from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Machine learning is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for innovation. In this module, we will dive deeper into the different types of machine learning, key algorithms, and how you can start building your own machine learning models. By the end of this section, you will have a clear understanding of what machine learning is and why it's such a critical part of modern AI. Let's continue exploring the word machine learning.